Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be talking about how to write a file in Python. So here we have some text. Please like and subscribe. And here we have the folder of these Python files, and as you can see this is the path for it, and it contains these files which you can see right here. So if we exit out of that and we type with open, and then we say, let's give it a name. Let's say name. Let me move out of the way. Okay, name, and of course .txt, and comma W. And W will make a lot of sense, but for now, just bear with me. As file. And then we want to say file.write text. And that's it. Simple as that. We run the file, and as you can see, it added it. And if we run it again, nothing happens, but it added it. Okay, now we have a problem. It says right here, please like and subscribe. If we open it, it says please like and subscribe. That's great. But if we change it to and hi, we run it, it says and hi. Okay, now it's changing it, but that's a problem, because what if we completely delete this and we run it, then it'll just say hi, and we don't want that. We want to add to it. So to fix that, what do? We change the W to A. Simple as that. As you can see, it added it to the end. And if we go back here and we run it a couple more times, then it just kept adding more and more and more. Why? I'll tell you why. Because W stands for write, and A stands for append. Appending in Python is basically just adding to the end. So if you have some text here and you append to it, then you start typing at the end of it. But writing is completely ditching the old text and overwriting it with something else. And it just depends on what you want. Do you want to overwrite the text, or do you want to append and add to it? That's when you know you should use W or A. Also, another thing you want to keep in mind is here we have name.txt, and that's how we're adding something. But you can open a file that already exists by using this little thing right here, which is going to that specific file, right-clicking on it, getting the properties, and when you get the properties, you copy the location of that text file and you insert it here, and it would work just the same way. You can open it and then append to it, or overwrite it, I should say. But that's basically how you write a file in Python. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new, please like and subscribe. And as always, the full code will be posted in the comments down below.